Hello guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video we'll be telling you about top 5 gadgets that you can buy in Amazon.in under rupees 2000. So without any further delay, let's jump right into it. So the first thing is Xiaomi's Mi Band 2. It is priced at 1799 rupees. It has some stunning features like heart rate monitor, step tracking and sleep monitor. Yeah, the heart rate sensor is there, though it is not fast and accurate. It is not reliable too, but yeah, you can use it sometimes. The battery life is very good in this one. It has a 20-day battery life, IP67 splash resistant and OLED bright display that is not too bright, though it works well. It also have call notification alert through Bluetooth. It also have some idle alerts. As a whole, a good watch. The second thing is a wired headset by JBL, that is JBL C300SI. It is priced at 999 rupees. It is a good headphone that has a rich sound quality and a good bass. You can definitely go for it without any hesitation. The next essential thing can be a tripod, and so here is Amazon Basics 60-inch tripod. It is priced at 1299 rupees. It is a 60-inch tripod that is quite sturdy. You can buy it, but if you want to record in mobile, then you will have to buy a mobile holder separately. Link for a good mobile holder will be in the YouTube description area. Definitely check it out. I think we all have played with fidget spinners, and so this is a very interesting thing, as it is a fidget spinner phone by Chili. It is priced at 999 rupees, and it also has some specs. It has 32 MB of random access memory and read-only memory with a 280 mAh of battery, 128x96 peak display. It also has some sound recorder, image viewer. It also supports Bluetooth so that you can connect it with the main device, and the ratings are also good, so you can check it out. This is known as Gamepad for Android. It is priced at 1449 rupees. It is useful if you like to play games in remote. It can hold the device up to 7 inches, and you can play games as you play in smart TV. You can check that out.